Hi guys, Postman's bin, just the one item here, LED diode. Okay, value $5 US. I think it was cheaper than that, to be honest. There we are. Now, to be quite honest, I thought it was going to be quite a big pack when I looked at it on the screen. So this is significantly smaller than I expected, but it is exactly what it described. A bunch of LEDs. What are they, 5mm and 3mm? I can't quite remember the sizes. Looks like it's white, green, red, yellow and blue. I just thought it was a nice little pack because I keep chucking them in a big container and having to sort through them. So there we go, that's it. Quick and simple, bunch of LEDs.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.